Hey everybody, today we are going to be talking about alphabet worksheets. Hello, I am Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to make alphabet worksheets for your kids on your Cricut. Now, right now with school being out, kids kind of have a tendency to forget some of the basics. And I wanted to make something for my kids to be able to practice their name and the alphabet. I have seen these on Pinterest and on other Facebook groups, and I wanted to make my own. So this is what they look like. Pretty cool, huh? Let's head over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the free customizable file, and we'll head over to Design Space and I'll show you how to make it. Okay, we are at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to go to Resource Library, and if you don't have access, you can hit Get Access and you will be emailed the password to get into the library. But for now, click Enter the Library. And you will scroll down and you will find the Alphabet Dry Erase Worksheets. Click on that, download it to your computer, and you're ready to go into Design Space. Now that we're in Design Space, you're going to go to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where you have the download onto your computer, and click Open, and hit Save. Highlight the image and hit Insert Image. Okay, first let me zoom out a little bit so we can see the full artwork. Then come over here and click Ungroup in the Layers panel. And next we're going to want to bring in the individual alphabet. This file is included with the download and it is called Individual Alphabet. We will upload that just like we did the other one. Hit Save, highlight that, and hit Insert Image. There we go. I'm going to zoom out a little bit more and ungroup this. Now you can pull out your letters that you want to use. Duplicate any letters if you need to. Alright, now that I have all my letters, I'm going to highlight the rest of them and hit that red X button to get rid of the extra. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. And now I'm just going to work with the placement of the individual letters. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to align it with the Design Space in just a minute. Good. Now highlight the entire name and go up to Align and align horizontally. I'm going to move up the capital letter here just a little bit. There we go, that looks good. Now that we have it aligned, highlight the entire name and drag it over to the worksheet. I left space at the top of the worksheet to place your child's name. Then highlight the rectangle, and you're going to hide that for just a few minutes. Highlight the name and group it together. Then highlight all of the alphabet and hit Align Vertically. You can click that little eyeball to bring back the rectangle. And now you need to change the name and the alphabet to engrave because we're going to be using the engrave tool. There we go. And highlight everything, including the rectangle, and hit attach. And we're ready to go up to make it. Now you can mirror the image and have it engrave on the back side of the worksheet, or leave it the way that it is. My son actually preferred to feel the little bubbles or the dots. That seemed to help him, so I'm going to leave it the way that it is. Go up to Browse All Materials, and you're going to want to find Transparency. Go. I set the pressure to more, and see the engraving tool pops up, and we are ready to load our mats and have this get started. Okay, for this project we're going to need the green cutting mat. I'm using the 12 by 24 mat, our plastic placemats, the engraving tool with the quick swap housing, and the cutting blade. Alright, I'm going to insert the engraving tool into clamp B. Because this is a thicker material, you're going to want to move your feeder wheels to the very left and right so that they don't leave any imprints in your mat. Attach the transparency, in this case the plastic placemat, onto your cutting mat. Just lining up the edges here, giving it a good rub, and I can put it in the machine. Load it by hitting the flashing arrows. And start by hitting the flashing C. Are ready to go. Now I'm going to speed up this part of the video because the engraving tool does take quite a bit of time. Machine is done engraving, swap out the engraving tool for the cutting blade and cut out your mat, and you are all set. I would normally show this part to you guys, but my battery died on my camera while I was doing the cutting portion. I'm so sorry about that. And here it is all done. What do you think? I think it turned out pretty good. Now in the download, I also have the ruled version where it has the lines to help guide the placement of the letters. You can also use that option if you would like, but for this tutorial I am using the option without the ruled lines.
See, that was pretty easy, wasn't it? My kids loved these worksheets. They carry them around everywhere. They're great in the car, as long as you make sure that they don't write in the car with the dry erase marker. Although that probably wouldn't be a big deal to get out. That's not like crayon, car. Ugh. Anyway, the kids really liked this, and I hope that your kids do too. I love that the file that I made is customizable, so you can make it specific for your child. I hope that you guys liked it. Until next time, head on over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of other tutorials there. If you liked this video, hit like and subscribe below. That way you know every time that I make a new video. I will see you guys soon. Bye.